Hi folks, welcome back. Just a wee quick update. Sorry it's been a bit late. It's been a long day. Anyway, let's see the results of day 2 of this cleaning. So switch charger off. Disconnect the little overflow pipe from under the elastic band and lift the electrode out. The anode. Wow. Just wow. Oh, here comes a good lady. Have a look. So, I'll bring the camera over and let you have a look at this because it's a bit unbelievable, to be honest. It's just like a big plug of congealed rust. Right, I'll put these back on tripod and we'll empty it out and see what it looks like. Get this done, get it emptied out, then I'm going to go and have a well-deserved bottle of wine. I'm allowed, it's my birthday. "57 years young." I know I don't look a day over 70. Ooh, shit, look at that big blood just floating out there. The water's a lot cleaner. Most of it seems to have floated to the top. Forget how heavy these wee tanks are, especially when they're full. Kilogram a litre plus the weight of the tank. But as you can see from the tank, it's still fairly dirty. So I don't know whether to maybe give it another do. I won't bore you with another video of it, show you the results. I'll just sort of but as you can see, it's definitely worked. It's took a whole load of crud out the tank. I don't know, see what happens. I might look into sealing the inside walls of the tank with something. I'm just giving it a shake, and as you can see, as I'm shaking it up, the water's getting dirtier and dirtier. So I might put some sort of detergent in it or something with some marbles or whatever and give it a rattle about as well, just to get the last of it. It's a bit shame to go through all this, put it back in the tank and get one stupid little. It's going to have a good inline filter put on it, but other than that. But as you can see, another load of muck out the tank. So I can definitely recommend this, because look at that, it's like mud, it's congealed rust. Let's take you down and have a look at the water. I mean, look how dirty that water is, and that tank was freshly cleaned out. Look at the crud and muck on top. Wow. As I say, I can highly recommend it. Anyway, that's enough from me. I'm going to go and enjoy my bottle of wine. Thanks for watching, people. If you liked the wee video, give us a like and a subscribe. Take care.